Are you tired of flimsy cutting boards that wear out quickly? Introducing the titanium cutting board, a game changer in kitchen tools. This 100% pure titanium board is not just sturdy, it promises unparalleled durability. Whether you're chopping meats, fruits, or vegetables, it won't scratch or absorb odors. Imagine cutting with confidence, knowing your board stays hygienic and safe. Let's break down what makes this cutting board special. First, it's available in 3 sizes, 12 inches by 9 inches, 14 inches by 10 inches, and a generous 18 inches by 12 inches. Each option is designed to meet various kitchen needs. Next, the titanium material ensures that no sawdust or scratches mar its surface. It's lightweight yet incredibly robust. You can easily wash it in hot water or even throw it in the dishwasher for a quick clean. This board is double-sided, providing versatility. Use one side for raw meat and the other for fruits and veggies, preventing cross-contamination effortlessly. Many customers have shared glowing reviews. They consistently note its durability, saying it stays looking new even after regular use. The sleek appearance adds a sophisticated touch to any kitchen, making it both a functional and aesthetic tool. In summary, the titanium cutting board offers strength, safety, and style at an affordable price of $49.99. Plus, enjoy free returns for peace of mind. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Click the link to order your titanium cutting board today. Don't miss out on elevating your cooking game.